Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your AirPods are not connecting to your iPhone. So I have an older pair of AirPods with me right now, but this will also work on newer AirPods too. And the first thing we need to check is just to ensure that our AirPods are actually fully charged. And it's very simple to determine the charge of your AirPods. When they're plugged into a USB cable like this and they're on charge, you'll see this amber light. And when this light turns green, that basically indicates that the AirPods are fully charged. So once your AirPods are fully charged and you see this green light, the next thing we're going to check is just on our phone, and we need to head over to the settings menu, come down to the general tab, and we're going to select software update. Now from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of iOS, as sometimes outdated versions can cause issues with our hardware. So if there is any pending updates inside of here, then just go and install them now. So the next thing we're going to do is just reset our AirPods, and how we do this is just make sure the lid is closed here, and you'll need to leave this closed for at least 30 seconds. Once you've waited 30 seconds, we can then open the lid, and what we're going to do is come to the back of the AirPods, and you'll see this small button down here, and we're just going to go ahead and hold this, and you need to hold this for around about 15 seconds. You can see at the moment there's this white flashing light. Now that should change to a kind of amber color after about 15 seconds. There we go, as you can see that's now turned to amber. So what you can do is release that button and now close the headphones. And now what we're going to do is reopen your AirPods with your iPhone open, and this is going to bring up the reconnection screen on your iPhone. So you can see here now I have the option to connect. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the connect button, and you need to give that a moment to pair. It's going to ask if you want to set up Siri. I'm just going to select not now, and I'm just going to close out of this menu, and then we can head over to our Bluetooth. And as you can see at the top here, I'm now connected to my AirPods. Now if that doesn't work for you, another thing that we can do is come over to your Bluetooth on your iPhone, and we're just going to select the I button next to your AirPods, this information, then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you need to select forget this device and click forget device at the bottom. And once again, just confirm here by selecting forget device. And once you've done that, we're then going to close the lid of your AirPods, and at this time you'll need to connect them to a USB-C cable. And once you have them connected to a USB-C cable, you need to make sure the lid again is closed for 30 seconds, and then after 30 seconds we're going to do the same steps. We're going to reopen the lid. We're then going to hold that button down again at the back for 15 seconds and wait for this light to turn amber. And once that turns amber, we can close the lid of the AirPods, then reopen the lid of the AirPods and come over to your iPhone. That will bring up the reconnection screen again. So go ahead and select connect, and then let's just close out of these windows and come over to Bluetooth. And as you can see, that's now successfully connected. Now another problem that people face is when you get this connected message here, but the volume or the sound is still coming out of your phone and not your AirPods. Now how we fix this is you come over to the information tab in AirPods, and down in this option here, automatic ear detection, you actually want to turn this off. And by turning this off, that should have now fixed the issue. So we can close out of here, and now the sound should be coming out of your AirPods. And it's as simple as that, guys. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.